guys, it's Bunnies and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys read in the title, today is going to be a little bit different of the normal try on video or food video. Today is going to be more of a sit and chat kind of video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to hit that sub button and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. So today, as you guys read from the title, we're going to be talking about Texas and why we moved to Texas and all that good stuff, what happened. You guys know that I have been in DC for about the last, I want to say 7-8 years, almost going on 8 years, and it's been great. DC's been amazing, but we recently moved to Texas, as I told you guys in I think 2 videos ago now, 2 or 3 videos ago, and you guys wanted to know what happened. If you guys watch my stream, then you know what happened. If you don't know, if you don't follow my stream or follow my Instagram or whatever, you don't know what happened. So my house and Aunt's house, me and my husband's house, we got married, by the way. We got married in June, and in August our house completely flooded. So a pipe broke. Our house is like 3 stories technically. There's a basement, a main story, and then the second story, which is like where our bedroom's at. And we were out in Texas. We do a lot of work out in Texas. Sorry if my story is kind of like all over the place. It's just how my brain works because I didn't plan any of this out. We were out in Texas in like, I want to say middle of August, filming some stuff for Ant because Ant works with Complexity. He signed to Complexity as a player, content creator, and they're based out here out in Texas. And so we were out here in Texas, and while we were out here, a pipe burst on our main floor, but not like our main floor on the bottom, our main floor on the roof, if that makes sense. So right underneath our second story. And we were away out of town. We didn't turn our water off. Honestly, we never even thought about it, but this is hard. It's been like a month and it's still hard to talk about it. Okay, anyways, a pipe burst, I don't know, and it started dripping water everywhere, but not like dripping, like it started spraying water everywhere. And our whole main floor, which is where our living room, my office, the kitchen, all that stuff, got completely flooded, and then that sunk and seeped underneath to our basement area, which is where Aunt's office is, and like our theater room and my like little home gym is and everything. And so we were having renovations done at this time. We were having our whole house painted, and we had all of our stuff, sorry, my brain. We had all of our stuff down in the basement from our main story, and our upstairs, all of our clothes, everything was down in the basement, because we were getting, again, everything painted in our house. And so it was kind of like mine and Aunt's like wedding gift to ourselves, was to like get the house painted. And so anyways, getting the house painted, if you've never had your house painted, you have to like move everything so that they could get everywhere, you know. And they put like this big plastic mat out and like, you know, all that stuff. And so anyways, all of my clothes, all of my shoes, all Aunt's clothes, everything, you guys, that we owned was down in our basement. So we get a call from Aunt's mom that while we were out in Texas filming, that our house is flooded. She goes there to come and like check on it when we're out of town, just to make sure, like, you know, pick up our mail, make sure everything looks good, it's not flooded, all that good stuff. And so she walks in the house and it is a disaster, you guys. The walls, the whole ceiling is done in our main floor. Our wood is just buckled. She goes downstairs to the basement and she sees the pipe is spraying water. And so she goes down to the basement to turn the water off, and she's about my height. She's about like 5'1", 5 foot. And she was up to like mid-calf in the basement of water. So we're talking about 1.5 feet, a foot, I don't know, something like that, of just water in the basement sitting there. So it had been a day She literally checked on it the day before, so it had been like 1 day since she had been there, and that happened, I guess. And so the walls, oh, you guys, when I tell you, the walls were falling off. Like the drywall was falling off of the like wood, and so the light fixtures that were in the basement, we had like recessed lights, they were just hanging. Like honestly, the fact that our house didn't catch on fire from like an electrical fire is a huge blessing, because like I don't know, like everything was just hanging. Like all the light fixtures were just like hanging literally by like a wire. So our house is completely like gone. Internally, they had to come, and they are like we called the insurance company immediately, so they sent out people to come and basically like to get everything up, clean it all up for us so that it doesn't create mold and stuff. So that's who they are, by the way. So they came out and they cleaned everything up. They got all the drywall off, they cleaned up all the floors. But our house, for the first story and the basement, is literally just wood beams. That's the only thing left in our house. There is still like flooring in our house, but the flooring has to go. It's not good anymore because of the water damage. We had hardwood floors. So our entire main floor done, our entire, even like my office, our entire basement done. So our house, the only place that didn't get messed up is our upstairs, which is our second story, I guess, but third technically, and that's where our beds are and everything. That's fine, all that's fine, but there's literally just our beds up there. So our beds are good, but we can't live in the house because it's considered inhabitable, because of like the fact that, you know, there's nothing on the walls, there's no insulation, there's literally, you guys, it looks like a brand new house is being built kind of thing. So we have to get a contractor, our contractor who is doing the painting and stuff. We have to get a contractor who's going to go in there and basically rebuild our house from the inside, and that's going to take anywhere between 6 months to a year. So fast forward to now, when we came out, we've been thinking about moving to Texas for a while, just kind of like not moving permanently, but like getting a place out here. If you guys don't know, my husband does FIFA content creation. He's a FIFA streamer and FIFA YouTuber, and he does like Weekend League, which is what it's called out here, and the servers for the game are out here, so it's a lot better to play out here, and it's just better for his job, and it's better for my job as well, to be out here, like for where the servers are, and like uploading and all that stuff is just really good out here. The internet out here is amazing. So anyways, we've been thinking about like maybe getting a spot. So when that happened, we were like, okay, well, that's the only thing that makes sense, because we can't go to a rental. If we go to a rental, like the internet might not work right for our jobs. And so anyways, we decided to look at a place out here. So we came out here a couple weeks ago, maybe like, I think it was like maybe a month and a half ago. And we decided to look at places, maybe it was like a month ago. Anyways, we looked at places and we found our house. There was a lot of no's and then we found this house that we live in now. And we absolutely fell in love with it, and we put an offer in and we got the house, and it's amazing. It's a beautiful little house. We have AT&T out here, so it's like, I think we get 5,000 up and 5,000 download. If you don't know, that's literally like the best internet you could possibly have almost. It's amazing. And so anyways, yeah, that's kind of what brought us out to Texas. You know, like it was devastating to lose our house how we did. We still have it, but like, you know what I'm saying? We lost all of our stuff. That's why, like my clothes, I lost all my clothes. So you're gonna see me in like a lot of my Alphalete stuff. More, I would say, than usual, because I don't have any clothes. All I have is the clothes that Alphalete sent me. Thank you, Alphalete. And that's kind of it, honestly. So yeah, I have to go buy some new clothes, but that's kind of what brought us out here and why we're out here. We do like Texas a lot, and we've always loved Texas when we came out here. It's just always been a good time. So hopefully this is just going to be a good little step in our journey, and everything's gonna work out and our house is gonna fix. So our plan isn't to permanently move to Texas. I know some of you guys have asked me that. We're not permanently moving here. We're just gonna, like, our plan was to, once the house gets fixed, is to stay here in the winter because it's warmer in the winter, and go back home to DC in the summer. And because we know, you guys know, we have like a little beach house out there, so like go to like a little beach house out there, go to our house out there, go swim because we have a pool, go like swim and like spend the summer out there because it's nice and hot, but it's not this hot. In Texas it gets like insanely hot, so it's not quite as hot, but in the winter we don't have to deal with the cold because I hate the cold and Aunt knows that. And so this will be, you know, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything works out. So we're not out here permanently, but we'll be out here for probably around a year at least because of everything. So this might be like the new YouTube set. This is our bedroom, by the way. I'm so sorry, you guys. I didn't even tell you guys. This is our bedroom. So this might be like the new YouTube setup. I don't know. I'm kind of liking this vibe. I don't know. How do you guys like it? What do you guys think? But yeah, that's kind of what happened, and that's why we're here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video about why we're out in Texas, and I hope it answers your questions. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to like comment them. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys being interested in my life and what's going on, and we might get some Texas vlogs soon. Let me know if you guys want some vlogs because I've been itching to make vlogs, and I might be doing a house tour soon. Like, not like a tour, but like a little tour, like a little house, room by room, show you guys what our house looks like. So let me know if you guys are interested in that as well, and I will make those videos for you guys. I love your faces so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.